A juice mixture contains orange juice and lemon juice in the ratio of 3 to 4. How much is needed of each kind of juice to make 630 millilitres of the mixture? So, the total number of parts is 3 plus 4, which is 7 parts. Right, the orange juice takes up 3 of those parts, so the amount of orange juice needed will be 3 out of the total number of parts. That's 3 out of 7 times 630. 7 goes into 7 once and then into 630 90 times. 3 times 90 is going to be 270 millilitres. And the amount of lemon juice needed, lemon juice takes up 4 parts, so it's going to be 4 out of 7 parts times 630. 7 goes into 630 90 times. 4 times 90 is going to be 360 millilitres. What you could do at the end is do a little check. That 270 plus 360 is equal to 630 millilitres. So this has been a video to show you how to find the amounts of juice needed for a mixture in a given ratio. Hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.